there's the cars. I just started shoveling. Sent you a picture of the, looks like 29 and 30 inches or so.
Is this being summer's over?
How's it going? Exactly.
So.
Don't you love it? Picked a bad time for the snowblower to not work.
Bunch of bullshit.
Yeah. It's gonna take me a while to dig all that out. I needed my exercise anyway. Don't worry, Mom, I'm not gonna have a heart attack. Love you, bye. Behind me is what I affectionately call the Beast, the beater four-wheel drive Durango, which I am gonna let Samantha use tonight when I pick her up at the airport. Hopefully she makes it. And then I gotta dig out that car behind me, which is a Honda, so Tamara can follow me to the airport. Got my work cut out for me. Luckily, it's the light, fluffy stuff. LOL. Love you, bye. Stay safe.